Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken soup because yesterday we returned from a week away in England, and as you can probably hear, I have a bit of a cold, as does the rest of the family. So I thought my first job on returning back home is to make a big pot of chicken soup, and how I make it is a little bit different to how you may be used to making it. So I thought I'd just talk you through the steps to show you how to make chicken soup with chicken drumsticks. So before I get into the recipe though, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a like and a comment to let me know your favorite way to enjoy chicken soup. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, so I've got my chicken drumsticks. I'm using a kilo, which is about 2.2 pounds. I've got onion, you can use ordinary onion, leek, whatever you like, and I've got some garlic too. So we're going to chop everything up and get it sauteing in a pot. Okay, I've got some butter sauteing away in my pot, and I've added in the chopped garlic and onion, and I've got it over a medium heat, and I just want to gently kind of soften it, not brown it to a crisp, but to release some of those lovely fragrances and just the flavors. So once that's a little bit softened, we'll add in our chicken. Okay, you can see it's kind of sizzling away, it's starting to soften up. I added a little bit more butter, and now's the perfect time to add in our chicken drumsticks. Okay, I've added the chicken in, and you may want to do it in batches depending on how many chicken legs you have, but you don't want to overcrowd it. So I've got about half in there. I'll toss them around, get them browned, and then just brown all of them. So keep them all tossed around, add more butter, or you could use coconut oil, add in salt, pepper, whatever seasoning, flavoring you want, and just cook all of your chicken legs until they're nice and brown. It's getting there. I just kind of keep tossing it around, adding salt along the way too, because it definitely needs a generous amount of salt to have a nice flavorful soup. So we're just going to brown these, and that also brings such beautiful flavor to the soup. And yeah, once they're all browned, cover it up in water. Okay, I'm happy with that. Happy with having the chicken drumsticks just sealed in, and now we'll pour over water to cover. I'm just going to fill up the saucepan with water. You could add more stock if you want to as well for more flavour. This kind of makes even chicken stock, chicken broth, but I'm going to make lovely, nourishing chicken soup. So make sure it's all covered with water. We're going to bring it up to the boil, and then let it simmer for an hour and a half, 2 hours. The longer it simmers for, all the meat falls off the bones, and it just gets a beautiful chicken soup. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to check in with you along the way to show you my chicken soup progress. My soup has been bubbling away for about an hour already. I just kind of keep checking on it, make sure it's simmering, the lid's going on and off, and I'm just trying to manage the temperature, but it's looking beautiful. It's smelling amazing. And really, the longer you let it cook, the more rich and flavorful the soup will get. So I want that to fall off the bones. I want it to cook for just a little while longer, at least half an hour to an hour more, but you could have it just now if you like. And what I'm going to do is pull all the chicken drumsticks out, debone them all, and you can save those bones and you can make chicken stock and soup all over again. And I'm going to pop the chicken back in, and then you've got just a lovely chicken soup. And it's looking and smelling even richer, and you see if I go to the chicken with a little fork, it all just falls off the bones. And so now it's up to you. You can strain it out and enjoy the beautiful thick soup, or you could remove the chicken, remove the bones from the chicken, and just serve the chicken in the soup however you like. You could pop some zucchini noodles in to make a bit of a zoodle soup, or really however you like to enjoy your chicken soup. And this is what I do. I fill a bowl with that beautiful thick broth, and I take my chicken legs, very easily debone them. You could do it with a spoon even. And I've got this beautiful portion of chicken which I will add into my soup. Just like that, and now I've got a beautiful chicken soup with all that tender chicken, and it's really, and I'm going to have this bowl full, and I just know I'm going to feel so much better, and the rest of the family too. It's like medicine. It's just such a nourishing dish. But that is how to make chicken with chicken drumsticks, how to make chicken soup with chicken drumsticks. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, leave a comment too, and also check down below. I'll leave the step-by-step instructions that you can pin, bookmark, save to make whenever you want to make this really easy chicken soup. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.